Welcome to Webcamconsult. We securely connect doctors and patients.
In this video, we explain how to use real-time translation and subtitling in Webcamconsult. You can now communicate with a patient without an interpreter. If a patient is hard of hearing or speaks a different language, then you can use the real-time translation and subtitling function. This function comes standard with your subscription. The person you are speaking to can read the translation or subtitles in real time at the bottom of the picture, either in a separate text block on the right, or both blocks at the same time. Therefore, you do not have to hire an interpreter for every conversation. This also lets you have a one-on-one conversation with the patient, without third parties, such as relatives, being present. How does it work? For the best results with the least amount of crosstalk, use a high-end camera and headset. It is also important to ensure that there are no other people talking in the same room you are in. You can choose translations in the bar at the bottom. Select the language in which you are speaking, and your patient's language that you want to translate into. Select the same language if you only need subtitling. Choose whether you want subtitles, a text block on the right, or both. Click on the checkbox to give approval. The function is now active. You can change the settings during the consultation. Real-time subtitling is available in many different languages. For privacy reasons, you cannot record the conversation or send it to the other person. We wish you all the best with your online consultations in Webcamconsult. Do you have any questions? Please consult the extensive documentation at the bottom of your dashboard, or contact our help desk.
Webcamconsult. Securely connect doctors and patients.